We wanted to include a parfait in our menu because not everybody may have the time to make a full breakfast, or they may be looking for a calorie or carb conscious healthy option. So if you've watched our video on making whipped cream, you can use that, but all of the ingredients for this recipe can be store-bought. You can use dairy or non-dairy whipped topping, or you could substitute that for yogurt. Now, how you layer this parfait is up to you. You can follow along with me, or you can go in your own direction. So we're going to start with the whipped cream on the bottom. Put a dollop down there. You want to make sure that you have the layers about as even as possible. Then I'm going to add granola. Try and get a little more at once on this. And then we're going to add fruit on the next layer. Strawberries and blueberries were what looked best at the store. You can use whatever you would like in that space. Raspberries, bananas, also favorites of mine. All right, that's layer one. Now we're going to do another layer of whipped cream. Get a little bit more. Granola again. Yeah, I loved these as a kid. This is one of those foods that just brings me back to being a child over the summer and how special it felt to be able to go and have something that my family was excited about me eating, but I was super excited about getting to have as well. I never understood because parfaits always felt so decadent, but my family was thrilled when I was going to be eating these. All right, so we're about to the top of the cup. We're going to put a little bit more whipped cream on it. And then for the end, there you have something that you can bring to the president's breakfast or any breakfast and be super proud of while staying health conscious.